You seen the eye candy expert grill? Let's review it. Hey, so before we even start looking at like all the different features and things like that, I want you to take a look at this grill. First thing you should notice is, look, it's a good looking grill, right? Hey, look, it's priced just right and it's excellent for a beginner. I don't really like saying a beginner after hearing myself say that. You know why? Because look, this works for anybody. Whatever your grilling skill is, this is it right here. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look at this cooking space, right? Look, this is 696 square inches of cooking space. I can tell you this, that's a whole lot of hamburgers, hot dogs, and chicken right here. Okay, so look, then we're gonna talk about the BTUs, right? This right here has 54,000 BTUs. Now I'm gonna show you, let me show you what that means. So if I take these deflectors off of here, which this protects, so like when you're cooking food, you know, your food, when it drops down this way, it protects the rail that's right here that produces the fire, right? You don't want to like clog those up. So let me show you like this. And that right there, look, so each one of these rails right here puts out 9,000 BTUs per burner. Now, when I say 9,000 BTUs per burner, look, in comparison, the average gas burner in your house is only about 7,000 BTUs. Okay, and then if you look at these grates, these are nothing but cast iron grates. Hey, perfect. Hey, just think about this. Like if you're inside on the stove, you can put your cast iron skillet right here on top. You can cook your eggs, you can do whatever you want to do. And what I like about these gas grills like this, especially this one right here, is light, it's portable, and it's great to take it out to, you know, to your family functions. Hey, now check this out. You want to talk about having accessories, right? Take a look at this 3-tier cart. Hey, super nice. Hey, I'm gonna tell you right now why I'm smiling. Take a look at this right here. This right here does it for me. Hey, they got a tablet stand or your cell phone stand. So you put this wherever you want it. You get your food here. You can do all your prep. You can store everything, bring this out, and you straight, right? And then you can go from here, and then you can go right onto your grill. Hey, so look, I'm not gonna over talk it. I just wanted you guys to take a look at this. And when I tell you, listen, you know I don't put a whole lot of things on my channel, right? But right here, I think it's like great, especially with the, you know, everything opening up. Listen, we finna get out here, we finna cook, we finna grill. We can do it all right here on this Expert 6-burner grill. And that's what I got for y'all, folks. Hey, I'm out of here. Peace.